Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Google Tasks in Gmail, Calendar, or the mobile app so your work syncs instantly across devices. Once logged in, create a dedicated list for this project and name it with context and a date to keep it meaningful. Now, add the first 3 to 5 tasks. Include a due date, a short priority queue, and a one-line note explaining the outcome you want. Make sure to use concise task names so you scan them fast later. Once your initial items exist, break larger tasks into subtasks to create a clear execution plan and show hierarchy by indenting. Then assign due dates and times. If priorities shift, drag tasks up or down to reorder them quickly. Make sure to enrich each task with notes or links, paste meeting agendas, URLs, or a short checklist into the detail field. This helps you see context without opening separate docs, and it speeds decisions. You should review your list daily. Mark items complete, reschedule anything unfinished, and move high-priority tasks to the top. Once done, enable tasks in Calendar so you see deadlines alongside events and can resolve timing conflicts quickly. Make sure to archive or delete obsolete lists to reduce clutter. If things go wrong and a task seems missing, check that you're in the correct Google account and list, then verify app sync settings, often toggling sync off, and on restores missing items.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.